If you're looking for a natural way to tighten your skin, reduce wrinkles, and even target under-eye circles, you need to try this powerful remedy. But not just any treatments, we're sharing specially crafted recipes designed for maximum effectiveness. These formulas don't just harness the anti-aging properties of this natural ingredient, they also enhance the absorption of its key enzyme, ensuring your skin gets full benefits. And that miracle fruit is pineapple. It is rich in several active compounds that contribute to its health benefits. Bromelain, a group of proteolytic enzymes found in the stem and fruit of the pineapple plant. Bromelain is used as a dietary supplement for conditions such as pain, sinusitis, osteoarthritis, and muscle soreness. It is also applied topically for the treatment of serious burns. Vitamin C. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C, with 1 cup of chopped pineapple providing approximately 79 milligrams, which is about 88% of the daily recommended value. Vitamin C is essential for immune function, iron absorption, and growth and development. Manganese. This mineral aids in metabolizing food, blood clotting, and maintaining healthy bones. A single cup of pineapple contains more than half of the daily recommended intake of manganese. Pineapple is a powerhouse fruit for skincare, offering brightening, anti-aging, and anti-acne benefits due to its rich composition of bromelain, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Brightening effects of pineapple. Pineapple is packed with vitamin C, which helps fade dark spots, even out skin tone, and enhance radiance by inhibiting melanin production. The natural enzymes in bromelain gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and smoother complexion. Anti-aging benefits of pineapple. The high antioxidant content in pineapple, especially vitamin C and manganese, fights free radicals that cause premature aging. These nutrients boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Regular use of pineapple-based treatments can give the skin a more youthful and plump appearance. Anti-acne properties. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which helps reduce redness, swelling, and breakouts. Vitamin C also supports skin healing, minimizes acne scars, and keeps pores clear. Additionally, its mild astringent properties help control excess oil, reducing the chances of clogged pores and acne formation. Let's move towards the mask and drink recipes of pineapple. 1. Skin Tightening Pineapple Face Mask. This powerful DIY mask firms skin, brightens complexion, and reduces fine lines. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fresh pineapple juice, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. How to use. 1. Mix all the ingredients until you get a smooth paste. 2. Apply a thin layer to your face, focusing on areas with fine lines or sagging. 3. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Avoid overdoing it, as bromelain is potent. 4. Rinse with lukewarm water and apply a light moisturizer. How this works. Bromelain exfoliates dead skin and increases cell turnover. Honey locks in moisture and antioxidants for firmer skin. Yogurt's lactic acid boosts bromelain's skin-renewing effects. Turmeric reduces inflammation and dark circles, making this mask great for under-eye care. 2. Anti-aging pineapple drink for skin elasticity. Eating pineapple is great, but to maximize absorption, this drink is designed to enhance bromelain's bioavailability. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, 1 cup coconut water. Hydrates skin deeply. How to prepare. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Strain if needed and drink immediately for maximum enzyme activity. Best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. Why this works. Black pepper significantly enhances bromelain's absorption. Ginger and lemon support collagen production and skin tightening. Flax seeds keep skin hydrated from within, reducing wrinkles. Coconut water keeps skin plump and firm. Final tips for maximum effectiveness. Fresh pineapple is best. Avoid canned versions with added sugar. Apply the face mask 2-3 times per week for visible skin tightening. Drink the pineapple mix daily for long-term anti-aging benefits. Always wear sunscreen. Bromelain exfoliates, making skin more sensitive to the sun. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.